Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an automated side hustle that can make you $1,000 plus a day. Okay. Now, I'm not here to guarantee any income for anyone, but these are results that are actually being generated by existing members within the system right now. And there's absolutely nothing stopping you guys from getting similar results or even more. Okay. So if you guys are excited to learn more about this automated side hustle, this automated online business system that anyone can tap into and start generating multiple streams of income in one place with less than 2 hours a day, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Okay, guys, so the automated online business system I'm going to be sharing with you guys is none other than Funnelpire. So Funnelpire is a done-for-you digital business system, guys, that can help you generate over 7 streams of income on complete autopilot, working less than 2 hours a day. Now, I know you guys have all heard about the say that goes, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, or at least 7 streams of income, right? Now, this doesn't mean that you need to go out there and start creating 7 different businesses, burning yourself out trying to run all those businesses, and then you find yourself working 24/7 and not actually having the time to enjoy life, which just defeats the purpose of starting a business in the first place and trying to achieve multiple streams of income. So many people are out here burned out, guys, because they're trying to run so many businesses. This is very common with entrepreneurs who are jumping into one different business opportunity or the other because they are trying to generate multiple streams of income. But guys, you don't have to worry about this anymore, because with this one system, this one Funnelpire system, you now have the potential, guys, to generate multiple streams of income, at least 7 streams of income in this one platform, guys. Okay. So I'm just going to be giving you guys like a quick overview of the system, how it works, what the products are, and how you can go on and actually start generating 7 streams of income on autopilot. We even have members, guys, who are generating $1,000 days. Like, this is amazing. This is just insane. Again, I'm not here to make any income claims. I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to be the exact same result for you, but I'm guaranteeing that this is a system that can completely transform your financial circumstances. Okay. So anyway, let's dive into the video. So this is what the homepage looks like. So again, very simple landing page, guys. And you can actually just go ahead and just click on access the free training. This is going to prompt you to sign up for the free training. Okay. Now, once you've signed up for the free training and you've gone through the free training, you have the option to actually join the Funnelpire program. So what does Funnelpire sell? What is the product, right? Okay, so one of the products that you gain access to at Funnelpire is digital marketing courses. So these are in-depth courses, guys, that teach you step by step how to do affiliate marketing, blogging, branding, content marketing, how to market your digital products, drop shipping, email marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads, running your business, ebook courses, how to make money with ebooks, how to create and sell your online courses, Amazon affiliate marketing, social media marketing, overcoming excuses, boutique business, webinars for business, influencer marketing. I could go on and on, guys. There's over 20 in-depth courses here, guys, that you can learn anything from starting your online business, creating passive income, and marketing your business as well using so many different platforms. So this is an amazing online learning and educational platform where you can learn the skills that you need to start and grow your successful online business. Another product that you can gain access to at Funnelpire, of course, is done for you resell right ebooks that you can resell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profits, guys. These are digital products that are available in so many different niches, and every single one of those niches comes with at least 4 different ebooks that you can sell as your own, rebranded. You can charge your own prices and keep 100% profits. So Funnelpire also offers you a library of ready-made digital products that you can sell as your own, guys, and they're constantly adding new products here as well. So there's always going to be options for you guys. You can sell these products as your own. It's already been done for you. You can go out there, sell it, and make money. Okay, so that's not the product you gain access to at Funnelpire. Not only that, Funnelpire also provides you with done for you websites. So these are websites that have already been created in so many different niches, guys, that you can literally just rebrand as your own. You can put your own logo. Everything is done for you with your own business name. Okay, it's like website templates basically being sold that you can literally just rebrand as your own. It comes with digital products and physical products all loaded onto your website, ready for you to start generating income, guys. You can see this is a hair business website here, for example. This has already been created. It's been preloaded with products that you can sell right away. And if you were interested in starting your hair business, this is a website that you could easily purchase, guys. And then, your logo will be done for you. The products will be added. Everything will be connected to your payment account. And some of those websites even come with digital products in your niche as well. So these are the products that Funnelpire currently offers that you can tap into as a member. So now let's talk about how you can go on to actually generate income, 7 streams of income, guys, using this platform. Okay, so to get started with the Funnelpire program, you want to go here and actually click to access the free training. So that's basically the funnel that everybody goes through, because it's really important that you understand what you are signing up for before you join the program. So you want to go ahead and check out the free training. Once you sign up for the Funnelpire program, you will be taken to a page like so, and this is a training, guys, that basically goes more in depth and shows you guys what the system is all about, what you get, and how you can start earning in 7 different ways, guys. And if you're interested, you can activate your online business, guys. It's just $47, guys. That's a one-time fee, only a one-time fee of $47 to join the Funnelpire program. Okay, and once you join the Funnelpire program, like I said, you gain access to different products. Okay, so if you join at $47, you will gain access to done for you resale right products like this that you can start selling as your own. But guys, you're able to gain access to 10 digital products that you can start reselling right now as your own in so many different niches, guys. This means you are spoiled for choice. And you also gain access to trainings teaching you how to change your ebook covers so it doesn't look like everyone else's. So in case you guys are wondering, what if it starts looking like everybody else's ebook? What if I'm selling the exact same thing as everyone? This is why you need to go and make changes to the ebook covers, and you gain access to a training here that shows you exactly how to do that. Not only that, guys, you also gain access to this digital product marketing course teaching you how to go out there and start selling your done for you ebooks and digital products, as well as a social media calendar here, guys, telling you what to post on social media every day for 30 days. So now I know what you guys are thinking. How do I go on to generate 7 streams of income? So of course, the first stream of income is just you following the trainings and creating your own business and, going out there and doing your own thing. That's the main product being sold at Funnelpire, the digital products, done for you products, courses to help you go out there and start your own digital business. That's one stream of income that you can create. So how do you unlock access, guys, to 7 other streams of income? This is obviously optional. You don't have to do this if you're not, into promoting another company and generating income, but this is just another additional way that you can start making money, and that a lot of the members are getting results whilst building their thing on the side. Because here's the thing, starting a business from scratch can take time to build, especially if you're just new in the online space, you don't have an audience and things of that nature. So it's just going to take you longer to start getting to a certain level of result selling your own products. This is why tapping into a done for you product, guys, and tapping into this Funnelpire system is a great way to start getting results even faster. Right? So by becoming a Funnelpire member, guys, you also have the opportunity to partner up with this platform. Again, this is not compulsory, so you don't have to do this part. You can just focus on just, making money selling your digital products. You don't have to do the affiliate marketing side of things. Okay, this is just another way, guys, that you can unlock multiple income streams. This means you can start making money whilst building your own thing at the back end. Because here's the truth, guys, and just being honest, if you're just a complete beginner just getting started right now, you don't really have an audience, you don't have a large social media following, it is going to take you some time to grow your following. It's going to take you time to build your account to the point where you start making those consistent sales. That's just the reality. It takes a certain level of trust to start turning complete strangers into paying customers. But by tapping into a done for you system, a system like Funnelpire that already has reviews, already has testimonials, guys, I showed you guys some screenshots of people's winnings. Okay, you can use that as social proof to get people to join the platform. Because one of the biggest reasons why people are skeptical to buy a product is because, they don't trust the company. But when they come across a company such as Funnelpire that already has a social proof, already has a system that is proven to work, it's actually easier for you to start making money this way. And a lot of our members actually start generating income using all these other income streams that we have at the back end. So the Funnelpire actually rewards you in 2 ways. So you can either earn based on a task. Okay, so a task-based commission basically means that you get paid per task. So you don't have to sell anything, guys. You just have to complete a task, okay, within the platform to start making money. And this is why complete newbies are able to make their first dollar online, guys. And you may be sitting there thinking, well, $2 is not really going to make me money. It's not going to get me rich. But think about it, guys. There's so many of you guys watching these videos, who have been on the online space for the longest time ever, and you've never made a single dollar online. Let's just be honest, guys. Let's just be honest. And again, this is just one little tiny component of actually making money with the Funnelpire system. You can actually make money by just joining the Facebook group and introducing yourself, guys. It's honestly that simple. So that's one of the tasks that you get paid $2, guys, for just introducing yourself in the Facebook group. If you did a video review, guys, that's $20 in your pocket. These are things that you probably would have done anyway, but you're just getting paid, guys, for just sharing your review on the system, okay, and how it's helped you. You can also go ahead and recommend the platform to other people. So this is more of the affiliate side of it, guys. But here's the beauty, guys. Here's the beauty about the Funnelpire affiliate marketing program. You get paid just for bringing in a new lead. So for every new lead that you bring, you earn 50 cents, even if they don't buy anything. It's just like going out there and recommending this platform to someone else and saying, hey, I just joined this amazing platform that teaches you how to make money with digital products. If you guys have been looking to make money online or, generate multiple streams of income, you can check out the free training, right? And then you send them to your referral link, you send them to your affiliate link. It's then going to bring them to the homepage, okay? It brings them to the homepage. If they go ahead and sign up via your link, you earn 50 cents, guys, for just recommending this platform to someone else. This is literally free money that you are already making at the back end whilst building your business on the side, guys, whilst building your own thing at the back end. Like, this is insane, okay? Once that person joins, all the selling is done by Funnelpire. You don't have to go ahead and, start following up with people, checking up on them. Everything is already set up at the back end, guys, on autopilot. This is why it is an automated online business system, guys. Once you bring in that lead, that's all you have to do. So your job moving forward is literally just to share content on social media, on your stories, whatever platforms you're using, and get people to sign up via your link. Ethically, of course. So we're not going to be out there spamming links everywhere. That's unethical. So you only want to share your link with people that, are a part of your community already. Okay. That's the best way to start getting people to check out this platform. And if they went on to check out the free training, it's not even selling, guys. You're just recommending a free training to help somebody else out there. If they don't like it, no pressure. If they do, however, like it, guys, then you do have the opportunity to earn higher commissions at the back end. And like I said, all the selling is done for you. You don't have to do any selling. You don't have to do any following up. Everything is already set up to be done on autopilot for you, okay? All you have to do, guys, is just bring in a new lead. Less than 2 hours a day, guys, you can do this, guys, okay? Even as a complete beginner. That's 50 cents in your pocket. Again, if you share your wins, right, you're going to get a payment banner. Once you start earning those commissions, you will receive a payment banner just congratulating you guys, just similar to the payment banners that you guys saw, guys, just similar to these ones that you guys previously saw. Okay, these are payment banners that are being emailed to our clients who are generating the results online. Okay, so every time you make over $20, you are going to get a payment banner via email. And if you go ahead, guys, and share that payment banner in the Facebook group, guess what? You earn $5, guys. $5 every single time you share that payment banner. That's another extra $5 you've just made for sharing your banner in the Facebook group. And this is just to build that sense of community and to motivate other people, guys. These are like simple tasks that anybody can complete and start making money. This means you could easily make your $47 investment back in no time, which means your membership just becomes free from here, guys. Okay, so those are 4 ways that you can start making money as soon as you join the program, guys. 4 ways that you can start making money on the exact same day as an affiliate. Now, when you go on to actually get those people to check out your link, if they check out the trainings, all the upselling is done for them. And if they go on to upgrade to any membership level, so guys, you can earn commissions anywhere from $18.80 to $350. And there's other products at the back end. For example, there's a social media marketing service. So if they were to go on and actually hire one of our social media managers to build their Instagram account and grow their Instagram account for them, that's $80 a month of recurring affiliate commissions that you are going to be getting, guys. You're just sending people to a free training. That's all you're doing, guys. And then at the back end, you now have the opportunity to generate all those multiple streams of income that are already set up on autopilot, guys. And as if this isn't enough, here's the best part, guys. There's even marketing content that has been created for you. Let me show you guys some examples. These are marketing reels. This is like faceless reels, guys, that you can just download. If you're sitting there thinking, okay, what do I post on social media? You have your social media content planner, but if you're sitting there like, I don't even know how to create content on social media, you can literally just go here, guys, download a video. Those videos have been done for you, right? You can do this whole thing faceless, right? Faceless marketing is the best strategy right now, especially for beginners who are camera shy. They don't want to put their face out there, guys. You can literally go download this marketing reels. You can upload these reels on your Instagram. You can upload them on your Facebook, upload them on your TikTok, whatever social media platforms you're using, guys. You can upload those reels, and those reels are going to do the marketing for you, because every time somebody watches this reel, right, that's going to build some curiosity. They're going to be like, okay, right, I want to learn more. I want to learn how to start my online business, right, for free. How do I get started? Here's my affiliate link, right? You can slide into the DMs, right? Thanks for checking out the video. Here's a link to check out the training. It's honestly that simple. And then when they come on board, guys, all the selling is done for you. All the automations have been set up for you, and you're just sitting back and cashing out on those coins. If this isn't the easiest way to make money right now in 2024, I honestly don't know what else to tell you guys, okay? So if you guys have been looking for the easiest way to make money online, an automated business system, the best affiliate marketing program to tap into as a beginner with less than $50, guys, you can get started with this business model. And if you guys are sitting there saying, why do I have to pay $50 to become an affiliate? Remember, you're not buying the affiliate program, guys. You are buying access to your own done for you business, okay? You are buying resale right products. That's the product. You're purchasing resale right products that you can resell as your own. Well, just in case you guys are thinking, am I just buying a product to promote the product? Absolutely not. Like I said, the main product is your digital products, your PLR products that have already been created for you guys. You can just go ahead and resell these products. This is your own business that you are building at the back end. The affiliate side of things is just another way to start making money for those of you guys who are interested in generating multiple streams of income. It is not compulsory, okay? So this is not one of those programs where you're only purchasing the program to promote the program. We do recommend that you go out there and actually build your own brand, and then this should only be another way to make some money, okay? Or if you guys are just looking into, getting started with affiliate marketing, this is a great platform to tap into. If you just want to tap into this program, guys, $47, you could be making $350 commissions, guys, with a $47 investment. This is insane. So let me ask you guys a question. Do you have social media? Can you post on social media? Then you can make money with this system, guys. So if you guys are interested in jumping on board, there's going to be a link in the description below this video to check out the Funnelpire program. Go check out the free training. If you love it, jump on board, less than $50, guys, and you can have your own automated business that can generate you 7 streams of income. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.